Park Dental Aligners is at the forefront of dental technology, making your teeth look their best in the easiest and simplest ways possible. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the entire process of making top-notch impressions so your dentist can create your customized treatment plan. Be sure to watch this entire video before starting the process so you're fully prepared. Inside your impression kit, you'll find 2 sets of impression trays, white and blue putty containers, an oral cheek retractor for photos, an instruction booklet, a customer name card, a pair of vinyl gloves, a return label, and a custom sticker seal for shipping. Don't throw away your box. You'll need it to ship your impressions. Here's what we'll need from you: 20 minutes to complete your impressions, 4 impressions total, a completed name card to ship back to us with your impressions, and pictures of your smile uploaded to our website. Before we take the impressions, make sure to read our list of do's and don'ts that can be found in the booklet that came with your kit. For best results, make these preparations before starting the process. First, brush and floss your teeth to remove all food particles. It's common to drool while making your impression models, so you may want to grab a towel to wipe away any excess saliva. Have a timer handy for monitoring your impression-making progress. Test your impression trays to ensure they're a good fit. They should fit comfortably in your mouth. If they are too tight around your teeth and gums, or if they don't reach your back molars, just let us know and we'll send you a better fitting replacement. Now it's time to get your impression putty ready. You will be taking a total of 4 impressions. Only do 1 impression at a time. We recommend doing your 2 bottom impressions first and finishing with the top 2 impressions. Prepare the impression putty by removing the plastic containers from the kit. It should be room temperature. Put your gloves on because once opened, the putty gets sticky really fast. Remove 1 blue and 1 white putty from their containers. Mix them together for about 30 seconds until you see a uniform color. The key is to mix and make the impression before the material starts to harden, so you'll have to work relatively quickly. After mixing the impression putty, roll it into a 4-inch log. Quickly and carefully place the rolled putty into the impression tray and make sure it fills the entire U shape all the way to the back. There's no need to force or smash it into place. Get your timer ready and set it to 2.5 minutes. Open and relax your mouth to insert the tray. Use your fingers and thumbs to press the tray into place. All of your teeth should be fully enveloped by the putty to capture the gum line. Avoid biting into the impression putty, as this may cause contact with the tray. Leave it in place for 2.5 minutes. Don't talk, shift, or wiggle the tray, as this will cause inconsistencies in your impression. After 2.5 minutes, carefully remove your impression tray by the handle. Pull straight up or straight down, but do not wiggle the tray side to side. 1 down, 3 more to go. Set the tray down and prepare for your second impression. Don't forget to pull your lip over the tray and use your thumbs to gently hold the tray in place. Repeat the process until you have all 4 impressions. You will end up with 2 impressions of your lower teeth and 2 impressions for your upper teeth. Place your 4 impression trays in individual zip-sealed bags and put them in your impression kit box. Fill out your customer name card, including the unique serial number found on your impression kit box. Then, place the card in the box. Attach the return label to the top of the box and apply the provided sticker seal to keep the box closed while shipping. Now you're ready to send the box back to us. To wrap up the process, let's take some cheesy selfies. Your dentist will use these photos to help evaluate and create your custom treatment plan. Before you snap the pictures, here's some guidelines to follow. Avoid blurry photos by keeping yourself and the camera still. Make sure your gum line is visible. The cheek retractor should take care of this. Capture your entire smile, including your back teeth. Do not crop your images. If you're wearing eyeglasses, please remove them so we can clearly identify you. Now you're ready for your close-up. Get your camera ready. A cell phone camera will work fine. Next, grab the cheek retractor and find a well-lit room. Use the cheek retractor to expose your complete smile. Okay, let's take the pictures. Naturally bite down so that your teeth are closed, but do not clench. Take 3 up-close pictures: a front view of your smile, a right view, and a left view. Remove the cheek retractor and ensure the pictures are clear and usable. Once you have taken your photos, upload them to mysmile.parkdentalaligners.com. That's it! You're finished! You're one step closer to a stunning smile. Park Dental Aligners and your dentist are here to answer any questions you may have. For additional help and information, please visit mysmile.parkdentalaligners.com.